Johnny says, thumbs up, we must be doing good. Here it comes in our triple line formation, smoke on. As I said, look at the so this is nothing new to them. They've been doing formation flying for a long time. And the Aviation makes a great, I mean, it's just one of those airplanes that is perfect for this kind of work. It's got good speed, it can put out good smoke, and it flies like a fighter. And for a person that flew fighter jets, this is pretty much a natural deal if you're flying a piston aircraft. Okay, we're going to set up for what we call the Rocket 6. The lead is always everybody's eyes on the lead. They don't look around at other planes or airspace. They tack onto the lead, follow the lead. Wherever the lead goes, that's where they go. There's a nice takeoff. You don't want to see that coming out of Charlotte and RJ. All right, coming around. There you go. The Rocket 6. Used to fly formations with the jets. I have a Chinese Air Force trainer who used to do formations like this. The closer you are, the better off you are, folks. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but that's the truth. If you talk fly tight, you're better off. Now they're going to see how they go ahead and reform up out there. They shift around. Lead calls all the shots. So Delta 6 formation is called by the lead. The front goes on, look to the right, to the left, down Airshow center, look up. Later on, we're going to throw up another formation act. Local Indy bikes. They're going to be up in mere moments. And Christian Eagles, one of the premier biplanes ever made. Fantastic aerobatic machines. All right, notice now they're shifting. They're going to go in trail. So you see the red one in the trail there? They're going to go in stacked down. Now, the bad thing about flying in trail is you get to eat the smoke of everybody else. And when you come back, you basically smell like burnt tool oil and bacon. Here they come. What we call the kite 6, because it looks like kite. Look at it. It's got a tail. It's got a head. There you go. This is more sophisticated. Now we're going to switch it up. Watch as they break out. They're going to move around. 4, 5, and 6 are going to tack off 1, 2, 3, and they're going to do the double delta diamond. The diamond is a stock formation, which looks like a diamond. Makes sense? Now you see out there, they're going ahead and shifting around. The lead calls for all the moves. Nobody talks except lead. We used to use hand signals in case the radio went out. Here they come, look to the left. Lights on, smoke on. Here comes smoke on.
saw you. Yeah.
All right, we're going to go ahead and now the echelon formation. The echelon is set up so you can break to land. This is a formation that you come in for landing and you can recover the entire flight in mere moments.
We're doing good on time.
So what fire departments do we have in here besides Madison? Just Madison?
Madison, Rocket Bridge.
What was the other one?
Madison, Rocket Bridge, Hanover.
Okay, Hanover, and who was the Rocket Bridge? What?
Riker Bridge.
All right, I'd like to thank the participation of the Madison Fire Department, the Riker Ridge, and Hanover Fire Department out here keeping us safe. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Give them, when you see them, thank them. There you go, the echelon formation. Double echelon. There's the break. There's the break. There's the break. They're going to recover and land so it's outside. Now we're going to get some passes. Individual passes. Get ready for the cameras. They're coming through. Smoke on. Gun run. You have a target on the ground, you set up like this with multiple airplanes coming in to gun the target. Right around here, Airshow Center, fantastic job. Everybody is doing this so far. Notice how they were covered back around the top. Everybody wave and smoke on. What a show. Two, three, 4-point roll.